Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like and subscribe the channel, and today we're diving into a super fun tutorial, one that's gonna make your lips look absolutely chef's kiss. We're talking about the Korean lips trend, which has taken the beauty world by storm. So grab your lip products, and let's get started. Alright, first things first. You know how Koreans have that dreamy, gradient lip look? It's that soft, youthful vibe, totally effortless yet oh so stylish. You might be wondering, how to achieve that? Well, don't worry. In this video you learn it step by step. To get those perfect K-beauty lips, we'll need a few key products: a lipstick, a lip oil or lip gloss, and a concealer. Blur or blend the edges. Focus on translucent areas. Use concealer if you mess up. Use darker shade lipstick. Focus and apply on inside of lips. And there you have it. Your Korean gradient lips tutorial, super easy and a complete game changer. Perfect for any occasion, whether you're on a vacations or just chilling at home. What do you guys think? If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment below with your favorite lip products. I love hearing from all of you. Until next time, keep being fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.